Hindi pa kami nakakapagsimulang magtanim. Anong petsa na?
Join us on MarVerz videos.
Umpisa pala ako magtanim. So dito, ang itatanim ko, kamatis. Oh, what's that? Oh, here in the middle. Middle. It's in the middle.
We're gonna plant some
Beans. No, there. That's your area. Yeah, good job. Okay, go, Tisoy. Oh, careful. Everything. Oh, look at your shoes. Baliktad pa pala yan. Is that your shoes? No, it's Kuya's shoes eh. Sige.
Boy, I bet you can help. Can you get your towel and can you help me? Oh, help me.
Kay Kuya na lang to, Kuya to, right?
Hey.
Oh, sige.
Oh, sorry, I'm giving you back this.
Oh, exchange. Okay, Kuya, good job. Oh, careful! Oh no! See that? Oh. Dami na.
Bagay dito talaga kamatis.
Oo. Ayun o, laki na nito. Pwede na itong i-harvest, no? O, huwag mo na.
Baka lumaki pa.
Ayan lang.
Masyado pa siyang light green eh.
Ayan.
Papa.
Dami na, God. Ayan na. Dami na naming i-harvest. Oh, no, not yet.
It's many soupies.
Ha? What's that? What's
That's
that?
a soup piece. Here, Andrew.
Ito.
Tomatoes!
A soup.
Pwede na i-harvest
I
yan.
mean, yes,
Harvest
this man.
na.
The market did.
Bumaba ng ganyan. Ano ngayon?
Oo. Ayan o. Yung ano natin, sayang o. Kailangan talaga ma-spray.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yan eh.
Oo. Yung tinanim, ano ata yung bean haricot ata yan. May label ah. Ito corn. Ayan. 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 Bean haricot, yun yun.
Yan o, ay lumalabas eh. Kasi yung maliit na, wala yan. Hindi yan mapakikinabangan.
Yan o, ito bumibilog. Maganda yung ano nito. Ano to? Meron din dito. Ilan ba?
Ganyan nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayun.
Pag ganyan nga yung ano ko, yan, yan. Tapos dito, yan.
Dalawa sa
dito.
gitna.
Mm.
Yan o, ito bumibilog din. Yan lang po, sayang. Ganda sana. Ayun, natatapuan.
Kasi yung pinakamalaki, kaso lang, hindi
Ito maganda ang ano.
Ito yun ba yan?
Teka.
Ito oh.
Ito, strawberries dito. Yan, strawberry
Ito
to.
parang hindi eh, oh. Pati yun. Nakita ko lang
Ito,
yan.
pero tingnan mo yung ano niya, stem niya. Strawberry siguro yan. Hindi kaya yan yung nasa ano ko, jungle farm na nakuha ang ano, seed.
Ito itsura niya.
Sa bagay, ito ganito yun. Ito, malawak talaga. Matatag na to. Oh, nagsasanga na siya, oh.
Ayan nga yung itatanim ko pagka ano eh.
Sisay, ano yan? Oo, ay, naamoy-amoy. What's that?
It doesn't smell, Rick. Smell. Smell.
Ano yan? Ano to? Inamoy niya. Ano ba yan?
Wing, this smell.
Ha?
I mean,
Tapos, parang dito, oh, may tumutubong iba. Yan na ba yan? Baka may strawberry pa na yan.
Hindi, maaaring kalahi niya rin siguro eh.
Sa bagay, parang, hayaan mo lang. What's that?
that's what this.
What's that?
It's my team.
What flower is that?
Buffalo fruit. Having this man.
Ayan, di ba nahalukay mo kasi na? Ito, oh, tumubo na. Yan, oh. Ito yung una pa. Next year pa siguro yan mamumulaklak talaga ng ano. Oh, punta tayo.
Ayun, meron na.
May sunflower na?
Kasi hindi pa namumukad.
Namukadkad. Ay, ayan na. Meron na. Buti pa yung ano.
Namatay ito, sayang.
Sayang. Oo, yan
Na ano
na.
yun eh, hindi nadiligan, hindi na siya naka-recover.
Ito may ants, oh. Ay, ito, mamumulaklak na rin.
Ito rin oh.
Oh. Oo nga,
Susunod
lapit
din
na
natin ilagay
yan.
yan sa mas may araw. Dito iba siguro yung mga hindi kailangan masyadong maaraw.
Oo. Ilan na? 1,
Oo.
2, yan, 3,
Ano na siya? Matakaw sa tubig. Kailangan lagi araw-araw mo siyang didiligan.
Saan pa isa? Ay, ito pa, oh. Oo nga, no. Mababa lang siya, pero ano, sayang to ba tumumba? May dumaan
Hindi,
siguro.
ang nakakatumba niya ito.
Oh my god, I can't even cut it. I can't even see it. It's tough. Look at it! Way too large! Let's compare it to the one that I just saw. Okay, let's cut it. Mama, it's my hand. This nail is so large. That one is just a strawberry. This one's just... No. Oh my goodness! It's very much more larger.
Oh, see?
And it's very much more greener.
Yeah.
And it's green. Way more bigger. I think I broke the world record of the largest tomato. Tomato. Do you know the largest tomato record?
Ako na.
Mine is one. Well, then try.
To be continued na lang tomorrow pagka ano. Si-charge ko pa to eh. Okay?
This is so thick.
Are you okay there?
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
You fell down, you can clean down, okay?
Yeah, just wash it later.
Whoa, this one's still so big.
Okay?
Goodness. It's no bit different. Don't have those sleepers on.
Careful.
Whoa.
See?
Now we don't have enough room. What are you gonna do with those? Are you gonna cook those?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, yummy. We don't have enough tomatoes.
Give some to Tita Lynn and Nanay.
Yes,
What's
let's
that?
do some. Yeah.
Yeah, again. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, Sherman. Sophie's gone. Sophie!
Hindi to strawberries, tomatoes.
Minton. Tomatoes.
Okay, go. Do it.
Give me. Ah,
No. This one. You teach him how to do it.
got the stem.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, no.
Better doing it better.
Okay. Okay, go. Okay, go.
cut. I'll catch it.
Teach him. Ay, kuya.
Okay. Cut the one here. Then. Where is it? Good thing it got catch. Look at.
What are you harvesting?
I'm picking beans, or peas.
Those are peas.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm turning into ice.
Sorry.
Goodness. Yeah.
Come closer.
Where is it?
Come closer.
Well, don't worry about that, guys.
Soy, you're the Kuya Elias assistant.
I have to do the right parts. Do you see those flowers? They might not even blossom. That one's blossoming. That one's blossoming. So don't touch you. Mommy!
Mm-hmm.
Huh? No! Some tied themselves. Oh, found one. My mom found it. Ooh. He's Johnny. I put the kids out there.
This one.
I'm blind. I'm freezing. I think I have. When is summer gonna come again? I think that isn't so large.
Only big tomatoes, ha? Only big tomatoes. Oh, no, not that one. Ito yung ano lang, one at a time. One at a time, like this, oh. Oh, this one first. Oh, hold it. Not the whole thing. Go. Is it so?
Oh, it's hard.
It's so hard.
Maybe I don't need to.
Do you need my help?
I know.
Okay.
I know.
Can you catch it? Can you catch it for me?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 1, 2. Oh, it's so hard. Yeah, really hard. Okay. Got it. Okay. And then this one too. Kuya, can you help me? Catch it, catch it. Oh, so hard talaga.
Nothing's large. So large.
This I put it there.
Toss. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Soy.
Harvesting spinach, and all these spinach are going here. So the first step is you need scissors, and you need a bowl, and you need a chip. And what you do is find a good one without these pieces, and then you cut them. Mama, why do but don't cut the entire branch, just these leaves. Then do this until you have no more spinach.
It is what are you doing?
Yes, and that is stuff of fire.
No, that's apple.
And this is apple.
Huh?
Apple.
No, those are tomatoes.
Tomatoes. When are we gonna harvest the tomatoes?
Next time. What's that? Hindi yan butterfly. Spinach yan.
It's a peanut.
It's a spinach yan.
It's stuck to your peanut.
What are you going to do with that? Are you going to eat that?
Fire this. We're going to eat. But first things first, we always fire. Put that back. Put that.
Okay.
Oh, my mom is collecting spinach and she's putting it here. Look how much we got in here. How much do we have in here? Comment down below. Wow, look at this. Oh, this one's oh, look at this one. It's so big. Did you plant any fruits at home? Tell us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.